Hey everyone, I'm Sean Davis, and today I will be going over what is LiveGood and how does it work. Complete beginner's guide. If you've been hearing about LiveGood and wondering what it is, how it works, and whether it's right for you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain what LiveGood is, the company's mission, how the membership works, the products it offers, the optional affiliate program, and how you can get started. Let's begin. What is LiveGood? LiveGood is a wellness membership company that offers nutritional supplements, personal care products, and other health and wellness products at exclusive member pricing. In addition to its membership, LiveGood offers an optional affiliate program for people who want to share the products or business opportunity with others. The company was founded with the goal of making high-quality wellness products more affordable by reducing many of the unnecessary markups commonly found in the health and wellness industry. The company's mission. The mission of LiveGood is to help people get healthy, stay healthy, and do it without having to spend a fortune. LiveGood believes everyone should have access to high-quality wellness products without paying inflated retail prices. Through its membership model, the company offers products at member pricing, while also providing an optional affiliate program for those who want to build a business by sharing the products and membership with others. The membership. Anyone can become a LiveGood member for $9.95 per month or $99.95 per year, which provides a savings of approximately 20% compared to paying monthly. Members receive access to exclusive member pricing across the entire product line. One thing many people appreciate is that there is no requirement to purchase products every month. You simply purchase the products you want whenever you want. Some people join solely to save money on wellness products they already use. Others later decide to explore the optional affiliate program. Whether you're interested in the products, the business opportunity, or both, the membership gives you access to everything LiveGood has to offer. The products. LiveGood offers a growing selection of wellness products designed to support everyday health. Some of the product categories include vitamins and minerals, protein powders, super greens, super reds, organic coffee, energy and performance supplements, essential oils, skin care products, personal care products, weight management products, and CBD products. The company continues expanding its product line by introducing new products over time. Member pricing. One of LiveGood's biggest advantages is its member pricing. Instead of paying traditional retail prices, members receive significant discounts on wellness products. By reducing many of the costs associated with traditional retail and network marketing, LiveGood aims to offer premium quality products at more affordable prices. For people who regularly purchase supplements, those savings can add up over time. The optional affiliate program. If you're interested in more than just the products, LiveGood also offers an optional affiliate program. For a one-time affiliate enrollment fee of $40, members can become affiliates and receive access to a personalized referral website, marketing tools, training resources, an affiliate back office, and customer and team management tools. Sharing a business is completely optional. Many people become members only for the discounted products. Others choose to build a business by referring customers and affiliates. How commissions work. LiveGood offers a compensation plan with multiple ways eligible affiliates may earn commissions and bonuses when they meet the plan's requirements. The plan includes commissions related to qualified memberships, product purchases, and additional bonuses. described in the official compensation plan. Like any business, individual results vary. Success depends on many factors, including effort, consistency, skill, customer demand, and team activity. There are no guaranteed earnings, and everyone considering the affiliate program should review the official compensation plan before getting started. Who LiveGood may be a good fit for? LiveGood may be a good fit if you want affordable wellness products, already purchase vitamins or supplements, enjoy learning about health and wellness, want the option to build an online business, prefer a flexible business that can work around your existing schedule. It may not be the right fit for everyone, so it's important to understand both the membership and the optional affiliate program before making a decision. Frequently asked questions. Do I have to buy products every month? No, there is no monthly purchase requirements. Can I join just for the discounted products? Absolutely. Many members join simply to enjoy member pricing. Is becoming an affiliate required? No. The affiliate program is completely optional. Can I become an affiliate later? Yes. Members can upgrade to an affiliate whenever they choose. Are earnings guaranteed? No. Earnings are never guaranteed and vary from person to person. How to get started? Getting started is simple. If your goal is to save money on wellness products, you can become a LiveGood member for $9.95 per month or $99.95 per year. If you're interested in sharing the products or the business opportunity, you can become a LiveGood affiliate by adding the one-time $40 affiliate enrollment fee to your membership. Before joining, take a few minutes to understand the membership, products, and compensation plan so you can decide which option best fits your goals. If you'd like to learn more or get started, visit livegood.com/Sean Davis, SeanDavis, or you can go to livegoodsean.com, livegoodsean.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this beginner's guide helps you better understand what LiveGood is and how it works. Have a good day.